Hello and welcome to Handy Brown Projects, a log of projects that I do with my hands. For one of my future projects, I want to build a mini ITX. So I've done the sensible thing and gone out to buy the case first. Once I know the dimensions, then I will buy the appropriate components. So I've bought a GEEK A35. GEEK, spelt with 3 E's, is a Taiwanese company that mainly makes mini ITX cases and ships them unassembled. So for the first time, I will be assembling a PC case. If you're only interested in the case's facts, here are the main things you may be interested in. So today we're looking at GEEK, I didn't say there, anyway, A35 case, and it comes in a bundle with the 1U Flex power supply, cables, it's the first case I've bought which I need to assemble, and the bundle also comes with the reversible or the reversed PCIe extender, and there's this box with a manual and the rest of the little bits and pieces, very nicely kept in this little box. The thing is, it's a bit longer than this. Nice click to it. Assembled it. Let's look at the dimensions. So it's about 26 centimeters long. Width is about 12 centimeters. Don't forget, this is not usable width inside the case. And the depth is about 20 centimeters, 20.5 centimeters. And talking about graphics card clearance of about 23 centimeters to be safe. So from here to here is about 45. It could go up to about 55 centimeters. And that would be maximum. The main points to consider when choosing this case: firstly, you have to assemble it yourself, and some of the instructions are not clear and don't tell you which screws to use. But I enjoyed assembling it, and if you're like me, you'll enjoy it too. Number 2, cooling options are limited. It will only fit 2 80mm fans, and only the slim ones. The standard 25mm thick fans will not fit. It's not designed for water cooling or AIOs, though you may be able to mod it if you really want. Also, the side panels are screwed on, so this would be annoying if you like to check on or change components fairly often. Other than that, it's a very compact case if you're looking for such. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.